So students, the question given to us today is from the height of a 7-meter tall building. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degrees and angle of depression to the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay. So let A, B, C, D be the tower. Okay. And A, B be the height of the tower, right? The height of the tower given is 7 meters. Okay. And the angle of elevation to the top of the tower. What is the top of the tower? You can see E. Point E is the top of the tower. Angle of elevation given is 60 degrees. And angle of depression to the foot of the tower, that is point C, is 30 degrees. Okay. So now we know that AB is equal to DC. AB equal to DC equal to 7 meters. Okay. And this BC is equal to AD. Okay. We are asked to calculate what? EC. Okay. Let me write down to find EC equal to what? ED plus DC. Now you can see that we have already found out what is DC 7 meters. Okay. So we are just required to find out this ED. Now from triangle ABC, what we can write? From triangle ABC, we can say that tan 30 degree. What is tan? That is the opposite by the base. So opposite is AB and base is BC. Fine. Now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, right? So we are just putting the value. 1 by, sorry. One by root 3 equal to, see, AB is 7. So we know the value of 7, right? So I am writing down 7 by BC we don't know. So we have to find out BC, right? And BC. Okay. Now by cross multiplying, we can say that BC equal to 7 root 3 meter. Root 3 meter. Okay. What is this BC? This BC is equal to AD. So we are gonna use this triangle ADE now. Okay. See how we use it. From the triangle ADE, we can say that tan 60, we can say what? Tan 60 degree equal to what? Again, ED by AD. So ED by AD. Now, what is the value of tan 60 degree? The value of tan 60 degree is √3. So we are just putting the value √3 equal to 3. We don't know the value of ED, so we will just write ED, what we have to find out for calculating EC. ED divided by AD. AD we know, this AD is equal to BC. So we will write 7 √3. Okay. So now we can say that this ED comes out as 7 into √3 into √3 is 3. So it's equal to 21 meter. Now, let us calculate what we are asked to calculate, that is the height of the tower, EC. See, EC is ED plus DC. We have already found out that DC is 7 meter and ED is 21 meter. So the, pardon, the required height equal to EC equal to ED plus DC equal to 7 plus 21 meter. And 8 meter. And that's your final answer. Okay. So hope I was clear. Hope you understood how to calculate the height of the tower when the angle of elevation and the angle of depression is given. That's all for today. Thank you.